Africa. They came to know from the genetic base. Anyway, so here is the thing, like India has a root system, and when you know your root, you know which one is better for you. Just like your dietary system. If you know your body structure, you know what type of food is better for you. And AI is all about that. Okay, so AI is something magic? No. It's nothing, but it is collecting the data. MIT at United States has a project, research project, has a multi-million-dollar funding, and that project is about to predict the future using AI. So what is going to happen with you? You can predict right now. That's what they are working on. They can predict the future. Not only GDP, not only return on investment of the finance. Okay, so that's what all about AI. We're gonna start. I don't know whether this is working or not. Yeah, it's working right now. I don't know. Yeah, it's working. So don't look at the slides. Slides is more about like complicated keywords. But if I ask someone, in your opinion, I'm saying in your opinion, okay, there's another word in the Oxford Dictionary, according to you. So you can understand that too. So, according to you, what do you think the definition of AI? Can I choose a random person to give me a definition of AI? There's a lot of women empowerment going on by everyone, so let's focus on men. So I'm preparing myself. I'm preparing. So right now there's a movement. In my country, like okay, so I was reporting just 30 seconds. I was reporting with my report to my president of research. She said, "How many women candidates do you have?" I said, "I can get as many as you want." She said, "No."
So after this meeting, I am going to Mysore. Then in night in hotel I will do.
Minorities. I was like, women itself is a minority, isn't it? So she said, no. If it's a white woman, she is not women with minority. She is just women. But if women is African American, she is a minority. Okay. So I think right now everyone is working on the women empowerment. After 10 years, I will be working on the saving men from the women. Okay, so that's my future plan. Anyway, do you know what is AI?
Giving information to the machine and it updates on its own.
Yeah, it's like your training machine. Of course. Do you have any other opinion? What's the same? I mean, you can sit down. You don't need to stand there. Yeah.
So basically, artificial intelligence is defined as when the machine has the power to make its own decisions.
Makes sense. Exactly. Anyone has better definition other than what they said? Okay, let me tell you one definition. You might have heard.
No, I'll come, sir. I'll come to one campus. I will say hi to everyone and then
is a more traditional definition process of to do the things. Okay, AI is the process of to do the things.
correct.
But what else?
There is a reason
At
for
which
that, because
these two additional keywords.
the reason is
AI is to do the things
to your profile.
at which
Maybe in terms of positions.
people are better.
That's the reason we collect.
Okay. So like I'm using this, and changing the slides. Okay.
Yeah.
The AI could have done
No worries.
these things just like me. That's what they call